York City for the Appleton Remixology contest.
What Remixology is they had to take a song and create a cocktail that they were inspired by the song to make.
This competition is so unique, first of all. You know, pairing cocktails with music.
I think it's really brilliant to incorporate music, which is such a big part of our industry, into a cocktail competition.
So much more than just the cocktail itself, really incorporating, well, so many aspects of the bartender and his personality, and I think that that's what makes this thing so exciting.
Probably the most unique and coolest cocktail competition I've ever been involved with.
In the last round, it was a great group of people.
The other bartenders were all just so much fun, really great drinks, kind of a classic bent.
Picture this turning into Magnum PI.
Every time I watched somebody else perform, I was like, they're the winner. No, they're the winner. No, they're the winner. So when I won, it was pretty incredible.
A lot of sort of crazy fun for Remixology.
It's an honor to be chosen to be a guest judge because apparently, you know, rum is the new scotch, and all these amazing bartenders are going to show me their bartending tricks.
Each one of them are just so amazing at what they do. Cocktail-wise, showmen, hosts, like you name it. They're all the big picture. They're all just incredible.
I want to go to Jamaica.
That would be awesome. I've never been.
It has nothing to do with the trip or the money. I'm being dead serious. I just want to win.
There's going to be a trivia round. There's going to be a speed round. And then on top of it, we've tasked them to create a locally inspired urban tiki cocktail.
I absolutely love tiki, so inherently I love rum. And Appleton's, especially the Reserve. I mean, I love the VX. The 12 is great, but my favorite is actually the Reserve.
Appleton is a very unique rum. A delicious rum, a rum that I drink, you know, on my own time.
Appleton has this really interesting kind of barrel tannin and this really interesting Jamaican funk to it, which really could be taken a lot of different ways.
I'm more scared of the trivia part than anything else. I mean, I can make a good drink. Can I explain the history of it? Probably not.
What year did Appleton begin distilling rum?
Over 260 years ago, I believe it was 1749.
Nice one.
I'd like to thank the person that did the Appleton's website. Thank you.
There will be a speed round where we will have to make 3 drinks really quickly, and we will make those quickly and hopefully well. I can't even predict what will happen. I'm sure there will be costumes, there will be props, there's going to be a lot of mayhem while we present Urban Tiki.
I'm not going in expecting to win. I'm going in to have fun.
Trying to be tricky and interesting in a contest-worthy manner.
If you're not having fun with Tiki and with rum by extension, then you're completely missing the point.
It doesn't take itself overly seriously. It's like not a cocktail competition where they encourage, you know, being stiff or there's rules on how to serve the drink. It's like come through, be that showman, do what you do, and you know, expressing uniqueness and creativity.
The winner of Appleton Estate Remixology 2010.
I can't wait to go to Jamaica. I gotta be honest.